how to use Shmoop courses for students. Well, if you've looked out your window recently, you probably noticed that the world's gone a bit digital. You've probably also noticed that there are some foreboding clouds overhead, so you might want to pull in your patio furniture there, people. Okay, suppose you're thinking about taking a course on, this thing here, the old internet. Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to the wonderful world of Shmoop courses. When you're just getting started, you'll need to sign into your Shmoop account. Then if you have a teacher, click the Join Classroom button thingy right there on your dashboard, right there, yeah. As soon as you've entered the classroom code or accepted the email invitation from your teacher, well, then you can start Shmoop coursing, of course. On the overview page, you'll see a link to the course content area, that thing. You can access your course from within the overview tab of your classroom by navigating the course page or by selecting courses from your dashboard. See that syllabus tab on the left-hand side there, that thing? Yeah, for an online course, this is the only bus you'll ever need. Hop on. You can read a description of the course right away, so you'll know how much you're about to get your feet wet, and we'll give you a chance to back out if you don't like having pruny toes. You'll also learn what you'll need for the course because, we can't provide everything. Depending on what course you're taking, we'll let you know when Shmoop starts selling graduated cylinders or, excavation equipment or whatever it is you're taking. The syllabus gives you the breakdown of all unit and lesson titles and lets you know which ones you conquered and which ones, have yet to be vanquished. Then inside the course, be sure to work through the lessons and reading sequentially, clicking "I'm done with this" each time you're ready to move on to the next activity you're reading. Or if that's simply too linear for your taste, you can always use the syllabus thingy to jump around. You can check out the virtual gradebook where you'll be able to see when your teacher grades one of your assignments so you can get the good or bad news right away. You'll also be able to get a sense of your overall progress within the course. If you're doing well, though, we suggest you do a print page before taping your progress report to the fridge for Mom. You won't ever have to worry that, we won't have you covered no matter the subject. Shmoop offers full courses in a wide variety of content areas, including math, ELA, life skills, writing, and so much more. You probably want to know what you're getting into, right? Well, what do these courses consist of? Well, good question. Every one of our courses is relevant, engaging, challenging, and totally comprehensive. It's like in our union bylaws here at Shmoop. In addition to a virtual textbook consisting of in-depth readings and lessons, you'll find activities and assignments, informative and entertaining videos like this one to help all you visual learners out there, and unit and final exams for full semester courses. When you get to these bad boys, make sure you have the time to focus, sit down, and crank out the entire thing. There are no do-overs. Look, Shmoop wants to be there for you. We want to be that mysterious figure behind a curtain who whispers, "Psst," whenever you're faltering and, is right there to hand you whatever you need. If something isn't quite working for you, our ears are always open. Honestly, we never close them. Have a question, complaint, or death threat? Well, contact us at support@shmoop.com. We'll get back to you right away, especially, if we need our lawyers to get involved.